Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to configure a sending email address for a shared email account. Start by clicking your name in the upper right corner. Then go to Settings and select Shared Email Account. Before proceeding, make sure a sending domain is configured and verified. If needed, refer to the video on setting up a sending domain. Once verified, you can begin adding sending email addresses. Multiple sending email addresses can be added. Click Add Email Address, then choose the domain from which you want to send emails. Next, enter the from name. This is what recipients will see in their inbox, such as Contoso newsletter. Then enter the from email address, for example, newsletter@yourdomain.com. And finally, enter the reply to address. Be sure to enter a valid reply to address so you can receive responses from contacts who reply directly to your emails. For example, something like support@LeadCenter.Ai. When entering the from and reply to fields, there's no need to include the domain. It's all applied automatically based on the selected domain. Next, enter a physical address. This will be used as the verified address for the sending email account. Make sure to include the full address details, such as country, state, city, and zip code. Once complete, the new sending email address will be added and ready to use. This sending email address can be used for calendar confirmations and reminders, event confirmations and reminders, scheduled emails, and transactional emails. And that's how to configure a sending email address in LeadCenter. Thank you.